Hey guys, so this is the last lab for this kind of lesson here that I want you to predict something about. Um, and so in this lab, what we're going to do is set up what's called a density column, where the less dense object will float on top of a more dense object. And in this case, we're going to base it on water temperature, which I know sounds kind of crazy, but what we're going to do is have warm water and cold water, and if I mix them, or if I put them in a beaker gently enough, then I can actually get that to form two layers. So what I want you to do on this one is I want you to first predict what you think the top layer is going to be, so warm water, cold water, and then also what the bottom layer will be. And then the second part of the lab, I'm actually going to take and insert like food coloring. Let me see if I can show you what I mean by this. So I'll put like some food coloring in this top section, right? So there'll be like some red in there, and then I'll come in and I'll put some green down in this one, right? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take like a like a straw, right? And on the straw, I'll basically angle it kind of like this, right? And then I'm going to blow through this straw so that this top layer starts to hopefully mix, and then if I blow long enough, basically it should get the water moving. So I want you to then kind of predict how. Let me get a different color in here. And again, this is not the answer. I want you to tell me like how you think this water is going to mix. Is it going to do this? Is it, going to do this? Is it going to kind of come around here and go all around? So kind of be able to describe how you think it's going to mix, and then that's basically what we'll use after the lab to compare what you thought versus what actually did happen. So so I'm gonna try to set this up in Canvas where maybe you can draw what you think on this, and then we'll kind of see where it goes from there. If I can't put it on Canvas, then I'll have a note in Canvas that basically tells you to draw it. If I tell you to draw it, then basically you'll just draw like a beaker with two layers. You'll say what layer this is, and then what layer this is, and then the straw would blow through here, and then I want you to tell me, explain it or draw a picture of what would happen in here, depending on what you think would happen. So hope that helps. If that wasn't very clear, hit the home, email me, let me know what you think.